Hey guys,
Hey guys.
welcome to another episode of
Journey with the Jackson.
Hey. So thank you guys for always tuning in to us. Thank you guys for always checking us out. And please, if you have not done this as yet, please subscribe to our channel.
And also welcome to our newbies. Welcome to those of you who are visiting us for the first time.
Yeah.
And to all our resident viewers, we so appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
Keep hitting the subscribe button. Well, oh please, you can only hit it one time.
Yeah.
But like Gal said, if you've not yet done so, hit it.
Yeah.
And let's get going.
Let's get going. Okay, guys. So today we will be looking at some places that Jamaicans mispronounce. The name of some places that Jamaicans mispronounce.
And I mean, here in Jamaica, it's not the only place. It's some places here in Jamaica.
Right. So we are very famous and very popular for giving places our own name. Like it sounds good to us, so we just give it the name. So
You always say it sound good. Like I don't even know if it sound good.
but it have to sound good because there is a particular name that the place has, and many of us know it. However, we just still decide that hey, this is how we're going to pronounce it.
I
So
care zero.
have to sound good. Have to sound good.
All right.
All right.
So
what's the first one, babes?
it's Coburn. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is
Yeah.
that we're going to say the correct one. Say the correct
No.
wording first.
No, I said the wrong one first.
Okay.
I said the wrong one. So it might ring a bell more to some person. So the
Okay.
first one we're gonna say is Cockburn Pen.
Yeah.
Cockburn Pen. So this is on Spanish Town Road.
It's a community.
Yes, a community. The correct name is
Coburn Gardens.
Coburn Garden.
But sorry, but you see why people would pronounce it as Cockburn Pen, right?
yeah, based on how it is spelled or something like that.
Yeah, based on how it is spelled, COCKB, we're gonna have it down here.
Yeah.
Somewhere here. But yeah, based on how it is spelled,
Yeah.
then you will realize that people pronounce it based on that.
Yeah, that is one of the reasons. Right.
So we
So
have-
it got the name based on and maybe the spelling, maybe some other reason we don't know. But we give it that name, but that is not the official name.
No, the pronunciation, it's the right word, the spelling is right, but the pronunciation is what is the problem. The Cockburn Pen, as Jamaicans pronounce it to be, it is spelled correctly. It is spelled as Cockburn, but pronounced as Coburn.
You're sure?
Very sure.
COCK.
Yeah. So every time we drive through the community, I'm looking on the board.
I thought it had a different spelling, to be honest. So
We can do a research on it, but
Yeah.
when we drive through there, that's what I see.
all right.
Cockburn. Right.
Cool. So number 2 is, babes, you give the name.
It's Red Gal Ring.
Red Gathering.
Yeah.
So this is in Stony Hill. When you're leaving from Constant Spring or Manor Park area and you're driving up Stony Hill,
Towards Portland,
Ra-
St. Mary.
yeah, it's a steep corner. So persons call it Red Gathering. Like when we were just coming into Kingston, somebody said, "And where are you now?" I'm at Red Gathering.
Yeah. But you'll be simply surprised to know that it's actually the pronunciation is not Red Gal Ring.
Yeah,
It's rather
the Reds Gathering.
the Reds Gathering.
The Reds
So
Gathering.
I think it was back in slavery, not
Yeah.
slavery,
Yeah, pretty much slavery.
history, yeah,
Yeah,
whatever.
it's slavery when the British used to gather there. It used, I think there used to be some form of a base or something like that. So they used to gather there in their red suit, you know, the red suit and white pants, something
Yeah, with
sort of
that-
like that. So they said the Reds are gathering there, and persons just said, "Reds gathering, Red gathering."
Red Gal Ring, cause you know we get why it could be you know called like that.
Yeah, make more sense
Hey.
too. We never seen a Reds gather up there. We have never seen any Reds.
We never seen a
gathering.
red gal gather up there either.
Well, that's it.
But this one, I think, like so many of us here in Jamaica, we definitely say this all the time.
Yeah.
So this place is located in Portmore, St.
Portmore.
Catherine.
Yeah.
And oftentimes you talk to people, like you could talk to somebody in Portmore, you're like, hey, where are you? Where them say?
Nagazed, man.
Yeah, them down
Nagazed.
Nagazed.
Nagazed. Like, what a ugly name.
Yeah, the word is Nago head.
So there is no S, that's the difference.
There's no ES.
So Nago head.
Nagos.
Like I guess that's why my have to say sound good. Cause Nago's head sound
No,
like.
but Nagos head don't sound good either, Gav.
Sound better to me than Nago head.
No.
Nago head.
No, Nago head.
Nago's head.
No, Nago head sounds good. Well, to me.
Listen. Nago's head. I'm by Nago's head.
No.
No, I said I'm by Nago head.
I'm buying Nago.
Why for that?
Alright. So, this place also is in Kingston.
Alright. What we call it? What some persons call it?
Barbican.
Yeah, like the first time the first time I was coming into Kingston, right out by Eastwood Park Road, there was this man who load taxis out there. And he was out there on Barbican. I mean, look for him and I'm like, the man here lazy, like weird name Barbican. And then like I got to understand that it's actually Barbican. But he was constantly saying Barbican, and some other persons call it.
How was he saying it?
Barbican. You see, people are shot going a taxi. People are jumping a taxi. Barbican is the right name.
Oh my gosh, girlfriend, I know you're gonna be watching this, and you know I'm talking about you now. So in St. Catherine, there's this town, and it's pronounced as Old Harbor.
No, you have to give the wrong name first.
All right.
And Olava.
No, but my friends say Olaba.
Yeah, so it's more than that. So. Olava or Olaba?
Olaba.
Where do you live? Olaba.
Yeah. I go Olaba. I'm like, where's that? It's Old Harbor. No, baby.
Old Harbor.
Yeah, not Arbor.
Old Harbor.
Yes. So it's Old Harbor. But that is how Jamaicans, I tell you, we're so creative and diverse and special.
I love spoil up name of place too.
Yeah, very special, man.
Alright. What about this one? This one is in St. Mary.
As a matter
the
of fact,
capital.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that, yeah.
I thought no, Port Maria capital of St. Mary.
Yes.
Port Maria.
Yeah. One fool met many.
Alright, but this is a common.
Well, oh please, that was
St.
just
Mary.
for laugh, guys. We hope you found it funny.
Yeah. So you have Natabia. So even the taxi driver say Natabia. Who go Natabia? But the correct term is Anatobe.
And definitely Anatobe is another one of the towns in
town areas in St. Mary.
Right. Right. So we say Anatobe and not Natabe. That's the correct pronunciation, Anatobe. And then
this is
we know
in
Jamaica
rural.
We know Jamaica is famous for coffee planting.
Yeah.
We talk about the Blue Mountain coffee, and this community is up close to Blue Mountain, right?
Yeah.
A lot of coffee farmers.
Very close.
Yeah, a lot of coffee farmers live there, and they have. I think there was this coffee factory there too. Yeah,
I think the factory is still up and running, you know.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's where that's also where some of the farmers who plant coffee, Blue Mountain coffee, whatnot, they're from, and it's called what?
Maize Bank.
That's not the correct pronunciation.
Yeah, Maize Bank.
The correct pronunciation is Mavis Bank. Right?
But some person just say Maize Bank. I don't know how them come by it.
By the way, guys, have you ever heard Mavis Bank? When we did our research, it was the first I was hearing Mavis Bank, because I always call it Mavis Bank.
Mavis Bank.
Right. So Mavis Bank is located in East Rural St. Andrew. And as we said, it's close to the farmers who does the Blue Mountain coffee planting and so forth. A lot of them reside in that community. Right? It's very, very much a mountainous community. I've gone there once. And I cannot promise anybody that I'm going there again. Terrain is very mountainous.
We have friends living in that area though.
Yes.
Yes, guys. So this place is very interesting how persons may come by it, but I can't by hearing the name of the place. can pretty much figure out why a person say it. So it's West Sailor. This is also in rural St. Andrew. West Sailor. West Sailor. Which one? West Sailor or West Sailor?
West Sailor. I don't know. This is the incorrect pronunciation though. West Sailor.
West Sailor.
Yeah.
But the right pronunciation is
Westphalia.
Westphalia. So I guess some persons probably just can't bother with the Westphalia business and then the West Sailor.
Whatever, you know. Move the PH and put S.
Like quick. Want the quick way out.
We don't have time. But for those of you who are familiar with East Rural St. Andrew, then you would know that there's Gordon Town, Poppy in Gordon Town, then moving on to like Red Light, Irish Town, Westphalia, going up to Mavis Bank, and your Hollywell going up. So that's Hollywell. And Hollywell, you know, I mean Jamaicans don't have time to say Hollywell, they're saying Hollywell. So that's it. Alright,
so we'll move from rural St. Andrew all the way downtown.
To Kingston.
All the way downtown Kingston. So this place, Matches Lane.
Yeah. Bet a number of Jamaicans living here at home and abroad thought that the correct pronunciation for that street
is
downtown is Matches Lane.
But the correct name actually is Matthews Lane. Matthews Lane.
What is it?
Matthews Lane.
Matthews Lane.
Matthews.
Yeah.
So the tongue between the teeth. Matthews.
Right, it's Matthews Lane and not Matches Lane.
Not
right.
Matthews Lane.
Not Matthews. Because you know, and you go to the signpost downtown to find Matches Lane, you will never find it.
No, if you ask somebody,
you will find it. But for sure, you'll definitely see Matthews Lane on the signpost. Oh my gosh.
And
do you believe that some persons who actually live in this vicinity, this area, also pronounce it as
yeah, that's what they call it.
Matches Lane.
I guess it would probably more like person from Upper St. Andrew.
Thereabouts.
We will call it Matthews Lane.
I guess from time to time they too will call it Matches Lane. Yeah, because people will not know. Sometimes people will not know where you're talking about. And then we leave with downtown.
We're going back close to.
No, we don't have to go down there so yet. We're coming a little out of downtown. And then we're moving into. But then town is downtown too.
Yeah, but Shauna gave away the name of the place. But the wrong pronunciation is Demontown. Demontown. It's even hard for me to pronounce because I am familiar with saying Denhamtown, but a lot of persons call it. Even the high school, they say Denhamtown High School. I don't know how them get it that way, but they do. We do. But I always think once you see it, you think Denhamtown. Yeah. Because based on the spelling, as you'll see here, it's Denham. Denham. Not Denham.
Denham. So it's Denhamtown, and of course, people who live there mispronounce it too. Definitely.
Maybe especially persons from the area.
Okay.
Are more likely to mispronounce it.
Yeah.
Right.
Not saying that they don't know the correct pronunciation either.
We're
just saying,
sometimes it's practice.
Yeah, becomes perfect, don't?
Yeah.
This next one, so we leave downtown and we're heading to where?
Kintyre.
We're heading to Kintyre.
So this is a community in the Poppy area. Yeah, so it's more like St. Andrew North area. Alright. So Kintyre. Some people call it. No, persons call it Kintyre. Persons call it Kintyre. But the right name is Kintyre.
Yeah, Kintyre.
Yeah,
so I think a number of people I don't know why, even for me too, I think the first time I heard the correct name pronunciation was Kintyre. I was like, really? I always thought it was Kintyre because I've always heard people say
Kintyre.
Not Kintyre. Yeah. And then for the last
place,
one,
so we're going to Portland now.
It's definitely not the least. You get excited.
You have gone to my parish, so we are talking about best work.
Best work.
Best work.
So this is a little bit outside of where?
This is a small community outside of Port Antonio, which is the capital of Portland.
Good. You got that one correct.
Yeah. Best work. But the right name of the place is
Breastwork.
Breastwork.
Yeah. And of course there is some history attached to that name and to what the name is about, why it was called that. But we can do that some other time, guys. But I bet you there are some names here that you were not sure. I'm sure that we surprised you.
Yeah.
What you think?
Yeah. I think Shana is right. But please, there are many places that we have not included. So please just put the name of of somewhere that you know that Jamaicans mispronounce. Just put the correct name and the incorrect name. And let us know.
Let us know, guys.
Yeah.
So, like my earring says, faith, hope, love. Guys, hang on to those things.
I don't have anything that says anything.
Until we see you again, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with us, sticking and staying. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe.
And continue to journey with the Jacksons.
Bye.